To have seedlings, we must first sow the seeds. The seedling pot is chosen to suit the seedlings to be planted. And after delivering the seeds, we can mix a little B1 into water and spray evenly on the seedling pot. The seeds have sprouted. Now let's make a container to plant them in. Today I will use 1/2 a discarded paint can. Watermelon planting box. I will punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging when planting. And I will use 3 plastic bottles as automatic green fertilizer for 3 watermelon planting boxes. I will punch a hole in the bottom of the compost bottle to drain the nutrients and cut the top of the bottle to remove the compost. Once we have all the materials ready, we can make soil to grow watermelon. I use vermicompost mixed with soil to grow watermelon. In addition to providing nutrients for plants, worm castings are also environmentally friendly, have high antibacterial properties and good metabolism. When planting, the seedlings are still weak, so be gentle to avoid breaking the plants and plant at a moderate depth. We can use green organic fertilizer in bottles. It will decompose by itself to provide long-term nutrition for plants and low cost. We water newly planted trees moderately to avoid waterlogging. Now that the plant is rooted, we need to weed and loosen the soil around the plant. I use discarded vegetables and fruits from the kitchen to put in the bottles. And don't forget to add soil to each plant to prevent it from leaning and falling over. And it also transforms. After 15 days of planting, the plants have grown. We need to make a trellis so that the plants have space to climb. I use high-friction bamboo sticks to make the trellis. This gives the melon plants space to climb and grow. At this stage, I would use worm castings to fertilize the plant, water it, and if possible, add soil to the plant. After 1 month, the watermelon will produce many flowers and small fruits. This stage is very important. Because the plant needs nutrients to grow, flower, and bear fruit, we need to pay attention. We remove weeds and use organic pellets to fertilize the plants, and don't forget to water the plants. You can use 1 tangerine mixed with water and spray evenly on the tree, helping to stimulate flowering and fruiting more effectively while preventing pests and diseases. Just by very simple way, you have big, ripe watermelons. Now you can harvest to enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.